Welcome to the course of Decktopus, which is AI presentation maker. And in my opinion, this is actually a PowerPoint killer, not only because of the price, because of the practicality using this particular tool. So we are not going to cover just the basics. We are going to cover the use cases, the projects we are going to cover in this particular video about how you are going to use Decktopus for lead generation, customer support, pitching your product or services. In my opinion, we pitch our SEO and digital marketing services. We are going to cover that as well, and there will be vocal decks which you can use customized AI vocal decks to cover your presentation, and you can also generate case studies for your services. And there will be a portfolio. If you are a freelancer and you want to showcase your portfolio, you can easily use this and add to your CV that you can share your portfolio of the projects you have completed in the past, which will be added beneficial for your future clients. And we are not going to just cover the AI part, we are going to cover the basics and how powerful it is to integrate this into your daily professional life. So without further ado, let's get started. And before let's get started, you have forgot something, which is subscribe to this channel. And let's go to the decktopus.com here. Let's go to the pricing part. So they have the three pricing part, but you can also get started for free, because with the free you cannot use the AI features, but you can use the basic features which will be beneficial for you. And you can go to the link in the description box to get access to this with 20% off as well. And here in the pro, all platform access will be available, 750 AI credits, which will be enough to create 50 to 20 decks per month. And there will be AI assistants. You can chat with the Decktopus AI such that you can create all the decks and customize that as well. So there is the presentation generation with the AI obviously, and there's the AI image generation. So you want to create the images with the help of AI, you can also do that. There's a PDF export as well, so you don't need to share or download with the PPTX format. You can have the PDF export. And there is also the business plans which include custom domain connection. Why you need to have a custom domain connection? Just because if you are pitching the deck, you can embed that to your custom domain and you can share that link as well. It is actually beneficial for the large scale agencies as well. And now let's talk about the free part. So there you can create unlimited number of slides using the free account as well, but you don't have access to one thing, which is the AI. And as you can see, you can record the voice, you can add the presentation notes. Storage will be unlimited for the free user as well. There is a private storage as well. There's a history, and only AI creation which is credit only 20, which is way less. You don't need to use that, but you can also create that and try that out if it actually suits your use case. And there's a collaboration which you can view and edit and share with your team, but there's a no team license until and unless you have a business account. So enough of this, let's get started to the dashboard here. So this will be the dashboard here. So you have create presentation of three options available. First is starts from the scratch, which will open the editor. Second will be the template, which will give you the templates of various type of their pre-made templates which you can open and edit and use. And there is a create with AI, which will create from the scratch using AI. So you can create multiple folders. For example, if you want to create something like SEO reports, you can create a new folder here and it will create a folder here just like this. You can open that folder and start adding or creating your text, and just like that. And going to the settings part, on the right side you have the settings part here. So there's the profile settings, there's the webhook. Webhook will be for the automation if you use Zapier. So if you use Zapier, then Zapier or make.com or any automation, you can use the webhook to send your data to the webhook and it will automate the task for you. And there's a refer and earn if you want to earn by sharing it. And there's the subscriptions. This will tell you which plan you are on. I'm on the pro plan. So this is the dummy account which I paid for to let you know how you can every leverage that. But we have a business account with them from our workspace. We use this particular tool all the time. So there will be the credit history. You can go ahead and see where your credit has been used. So this is about the dashboard. This is very basic and clean dashboard, and you can also search for your decks just from here. So this is about the basics of Decktopus. So now moving forward, so they have two type of editor here. Okay, let me give you the overview of old editor. So this is the old editor, as you can see here. So there are different set of themes for the old editor and there are different set of themes for the new editor. So this is the new editor and this is the old. So they are actually in the transition to new editor, but they don't have that much of an option in the new editor, but they have the cooler themes in the new editor. Okay, going to the designs here. So as you can see, you can style your design as per your brand, and you can also customize that with the help of this. So they have AI assistance inside the new editor. Okay, let me go ahead and tell you the interface of the old editor. So this is the old editor. So they have a different set of themes. You can simply go ahead and select any part of theme. It will start applying to your deck here, and if you click on the plus button, so it will give you the slides option from that specific theme. Okay, as you can see, these are the different slides option available here, which you can choose and add to your slide. And this is styles option. So there is style, you can easily change the color as per your brand, and there's a color option, so you can also swap color as per your preference. As you can see, the code, the icons, the list, and there is also the chart, so you can also customize the chart's color just like that. So this is actually very powerful as we compare to the AI PowerPoint maker. It's actually for the advanced users, but if you want to create it quickly with the AI, and not only the AI, which is simplified Canva type interface, then you can go ahead with the Decktopus. And now going to the background, you can also change the background as per your theme, as you can see. So if you want something add to your left, you can easily add that here, so just like this. So the transparent part here, which lets you add any type of media just like there. So there's also the element section which you can use. They have different set of media, for example, image, gifs, icon, and logo here. And you can also add the interactive items, for example, the line chart table. And there's a content blocks, which is obviously bullet points, icon list, and there's a timeline as well. So if you click on the timelines, you can see this is the timeline which you can add. So you can add more timelines here just like this. We are going to dig deeper to this. So there is an slide notes or the transcripts. For example, if you want to add the voice to your particular slide, you can easily present that here. And there's AI assistant features, but to use this particular AI, you need to create your deck using AI. What that means is, the create with AI option, you need to click generate your deck using this to enable this AI assistant. Okay, and there will be brand which is coming soon in Decktopus, which will be great because if you have a branded colors, you can easily customize your theme regarding that. But for now, you can use the color section here. And now going to the new, which is actually far better than now, but they lack something. What they lack is the element section. And in the element section, what you can add is you can add form, you can add rating, and you can add table or something like that, which you cannot add. For example, if you want to create a lead generation form using your deck, then a form will be a better way to get the email from the prospect client, which cannot be done with the new editor. So there is the new editor. As you can see, the AI style creator, and there are different, you can also translate your deck, and you can also create engaging Q&A, smart presentation tips, and there is the designs as well. You can easily set design or you can duplicate that, and there's a background section as well. So there's the element sections which does not have form. So this is only limitation of the new editor. You cannot have the form, you cannot take emails from the user, you cannot take the responses from the user. So there's a two use case which will be eradicated from using the new editor. First will be the customer support, because for the customer support you need to take the responses from your prospect customer or the prospect client. And second will be the lead generation. You cannot do that with the help of the new editor, but it's actually very good if you are going to pitch, you're using deck for pitching or showcasing or building a CV or even creating a reports. So if you click on any of this, so they have the different types of options, as you can see in the header section, which is not available for the old here. So there's the media section, which is, as you know, there's a storage section as well. And in the storage section, you can also create with the help of AI images, and there's a notes, so you can add the notes just like old. I prefer to use the old editor as compared to the new, because old editor has much more options available to create the same. And now how you can enable old or switch between the old and the new? All you need to do is go to your profile icon here, click on the profile setting, and there is the try new editor. And if you click on that, just reload this, and then whenever you create a new deck, it will create with the help of new deck, it will create with the help of a new editor. For example, if I create from the scratch, so these are the templates that is available here. So for example, if you click on any of this, it will create in the new editor. For example, let's go with the flow. So if I click on it, it will open a new editor here, as you can see here, just like that. If you click on the add slide, so there are different type of ads templates available. You can easily go ahead and add to your editor. So this is the first part, and as you can see, the templates for the new editor is pretty limited, but it's actually very engaging as we compare to the old editor. So this is the new editor. So if I go here and switch to the old editor, and if I click on the start from the scratch, as you can see, only limited options available. But even for the limited options, they don't have that much of a creativity as we see in the new editor. So if you click on the create template, they have a various templates available for the old editor, but if you click on the preview, the templates are very basic, not that engaging as you can see here. So if I click on any other, for example Nelson Mandela one, so they don't have that appealing or that customization that you need or that engaging decks you need that is available in the new editor. Whether if you create with the AI, so it will create using the old template. So which type of editor you should use? See, if you want to create a lead generation or a customer support, you can use the old editor. But if you want to create deck for pitching or just showcasing or presenting to the audience or in the seminar or something like that, then you should use the new editor